Here I got a 52-inch Lasko turn of the century ceiling fan. It's got the polished brass blade arms and a polished brass side band on the motor. I'm pretty sure this is the one with the skeletal motor. It's 3-speed forward reverse. And it is here in a condo in Hilton Head, South Carolina. Pretty nice fan. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. Puts out a pretty nice breeze on low. It's a little noisy. It's blade vibration. Doesn't wobble though. Nice amount of air it puts out. Put it back to low. An upper view of the canopy, and the sideband, ornate sideband. Yeah, that's the Lasko turn of the century in a condo in Hilton Head, South Carolina.